What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the live. Welcome back to the channel. So, reporting to you, what we're going to be talking is, oh boy, look at these beautiful and delicious prices. Oh, wow. We have Ethereum at 3,000. It was under 3,000 a couple of minutes ago. Bitcoin 44. Bitcoin still holding strong at 44. Cardano under $2. Oof, deliciousness. Alchemy Pay. That's the big one today, guys. Alchemy Pay, as you're seeing on the screen, it's looking wow. Like I know some people really like ACH, especially because we have the CEO speaking earlier this week. And I mean, Lord, Solana yesterday we talked later. I mean, very late at night for my typical time, and even today I was just planning to do something else, but just looking at these prices, everyone is like, I mean, we have to do something, right? And just kind of give some commentary, and that's it. We have Algorand under $1. That's great. Chainlink as well. Things are popping down. Perfect opportunity, guys. Like we've talked, about the levels. We talked about the resistance and support. I'm gonna go over that as well today for each one of them. These are the prices that we were talking last week, right? We were talking last week and 2 weeks ago, like, I wish I would have bought. I wish I would have bought. And look at this beautiful gift. That's the way I see it. That's the way I see it. I mean, how about you guys? I mean, that's the way I see it. I mean, the stock market today plummeting to, not plummeting in the macro, because in the macro you scroll down, like zoom out, you will see that the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones, they're at all-time highs. The crypto market is doing very delicious right now. How's everybody doing? Hi, what do you guys think? Everything's crashing? Well, I'm just happy it is, because soon enough, like I told you earlier today in my video about the crypto tracker, I'm planning to add some couple more positions, and I exactly wanted these prices. Man, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. What's going on, everyone? Welcome. A little bit late at night, but it's alright. It's alright. We can handle this. Nice audio. The dips are so juicy. I know. How you doing, guys? Austin, Hazy, Drew, Martina, Philosophy of Hustle, Tom, how you doing, guys? So let me tell you, we have the global crypto market. It's under 2 trillion now, 4.63 decrease over the last day. We're looking at Ethereum. I'm gonna refresh this once again. Cardano, beautiful. Cardano was, if I'm not mistaken, at one. Oh, really? Are you still having issues? Guys, are you seeing this on Coinbase? What's going on? It's not showing me my current price. Whatever. That's why I have my trading view. So I'm gonna open here my ADA. And this is precisely, everyone, the prices that we wanted to see 2 weeks ago when we were hitting all-time highs. Remember what I told you about the RSI? I told you it's gonna come back down, and it's doing it. I mean, buy the rumor, sell the news. It never fails. Never fails. That's what I can tell you. Welcome to the live, everyone. My name is Oscar Ramos. We talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. And in today's video, we're analyzing what in the world is happening with cryptocurrencies, baby. Oh, yes. So, should you be scared? That's the name of the title, right? Crypto down, huge. ACH, Cardano, AMP token, buying or panic? Are you panicked, everyone? Who from here is panicked? Where are my paper hands? Lord. You guys have to have the diamond hands, of course. Welcome, everyone. We'll be here for a while. 194 Cardano. I'm going to go ahead and use the 1 month. That's going to tell me a little bit better. There you have it. I'll do the 4 hours. There you have it. That's gonna be ADA, everyone. Pulling back now on the RSI and the MACD. That's good. That's it. But the one I want to show you, everyone, is the ACH. Oh, that beauty. That beauty ACH, guys. Alchemy Pay. Alchemy Pay. Buy more amp. There you go. Buy more. Not selling. There you go. Not me. There you go, everyone. Like, we've been in this case so long. It's just dumb how many times we've been in this case. Every single time we drop, people panic. And believe me, if this is the beginning of a panic, you want to be at the start, because this is when you start getting your awesome positions down and down and down. Now, do not confuse this with hyping any type of cryptocurrency, right? You have to remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, only for entertainment purposes only. What does that mean? It means that you have control over your money, and you have to be smart enough, right? If you wanted to buy Cardano, well, guess what? Now you know what the potential of Cardano is. It reached $2.24 last week, and everyone, I repeat, everyone were kicking themselves because they couldn't buy Cardano at $1, at $1.20, at $1.50, at $1.80. Well, guess what? Look at the price of Cardano right now. It eventually is going to correct, everyone. That's something you have to understand, right? Eventually it's going to correct. Eventually it's going to come back down a little bit. Now we're finding, what the price will be. But that's ADA at the moment. AMP token, well, beautiful. AMP token. 6 cents was broken. Alert. 6 cents was broken. We had an amazing consolidation for a long time. Now finally it's broken. What does that mean? Well, it means that people are gonna be leaving the project. Sad to say, but true. Why? Because we have every type of person in the cryptocurrency space, and people will be like, AMP token is garbage. AMP token is just a fake scam coin, and I don't trust this guy. That's okay. Please don't trust me, right? Do your own research, and that's it. Okay, fine, no worries. But I'm staying. I'm staying, everyone. I'm staying with AMP token. If you put me to choose Dogecoin or AMP token, guys, I'm gonna be choosing AMP token every single time, right? So no panic here, everyone. No panic. This is precisely what I was looking for. Like, stock market related, still coming down, which is great. ACH, just look at this. All of these projects, everyone. And I'm gonna be adding Ethereum here as well, because it really dropped under 3,000, but it came back just a couple minutes ago. Here it is. Every time Bitcoin goes down, all go down. It does happen, buddy. So do remember, guys, that we had a great rally for Ethereum from 1,700, everyone, all the way to $3,200, $3,300. Like, what else do you want, right? That's incredible. That's really good. So what are you guys' expectations for this dip? Because, this is a dip. Still, it's not a crash. A crash above 30%, right? We know that. Well, correction is around 10 to 20%. Crash above 30%. That's what we're looking for. And if we have a crash, that'll be amazing. That'll be incredible. These are the moments that I really want to have more revenues in my books to deploy even more. I had a question in my with my patrons on Discord asking me, "What's up, everyone? Welcome. Hey, Ethan. Hello." They're asking me, like, how far do you think AMP will go down? Well, remember that most of the predictions everywhere are speculation, so you do have to do your own research, and you do your own research by asking people like me. Okay, it's fine, totally acceptable. From now, when it comes to AMP token, if it's 0.055 or 0.051, it doesn't make too much of a difference to me, as long as it is at 5 or 6 or 4, totally for it. I do remember, guys, couple months ago, like a month and a half ago, people were telling me because we were coming just like right after the Coinbase effect, and they're like, no, I'm talking will be like 50 cents, 40 cents. I'm like, guys, you kidding me? Like, I know you're excited, but you have to understand the market cap, the tokenomics, the hype that the coin has, the whales and everything. So when it comes to cryptocurrencies, I was thinking about it like these are not stocks. These are not. Why do I say this? Is because well, cryptocurrencies are can be manipulated a little bit easier. If you're a whale, if you have tons of money, just buy, and whenever you purchase so much, you drastically and immediately have an effect on the cryptocurrency, right? When stocks, you do as well to a certain extent, but there's more protections for traders. In cryptocurrency, they don't care. At the moment you sell your AMP token, everything falls down, and hopefully somebody heard that you were selling. So think about those terms, everyone. Austin Redcord, AJ2, Oscar Ramos, do you Shiba Inu will rise up and break another zero? I don't do Shiba. I wouldn't be able to help you with Shiba. But I respect you guys buying Shiba. That's great. If that makes sense to you guys, like leave in the comments down below, or leave in the chat right now if you guys like, why do you guys buy Shiba? That'll be great for me to know, for my own edification, right? Because Shiba Inu, I understand that, I mean, it's a dog. Like, it's the name of a dog. Shiba, that's the breed name. So, yeah, that's as far as I'm gonna go. I know other projects better than Shiba, so yep. If you guys, if that makes sense to you, go for it. Hey, Spale, what's up, buddy? Hello again. Yeah, I just decided to do a live, just to take a look at these prices, man. Let's go back here. Cryptocurrencies. I'm actually gonna try this. Bam. Everyone take a look at this. I'm gonna zoom out. So take a look at this. Bitcoin has a market dominance of 44%, and we're seeing it decrease 5% down. Ethereum dominance of almost 20%. Then ADA, guys, beautiful with 3%. So you see, whatever Bitcoin is doing, everyone, is really affecting everything, right? To a certain degree. By 24-hour volume, smart contracts and store value. So we have smart contracts, Ethereum, your ADA, memes. So it's all right here, very diversified. So you have your memes, and this is Shiba Inu. So for you guys asking for Shiba Inu, here it is. It's down 11%. Shiba Inu. Dogecoin is down 10% to 29 cents. Smart contracts, of course, Ethereum is the leader. ADA follows, negative 7%. So this is a good way for you guys to quickly understand how cryptocurrencies, they all have different purposes, right? Different purposes. Alien, buy AMP. Bro, if I had 50 or like $1,000, I'll be buying everything at this point. Like, great deals right now. Great deals. Because I'm holding for long term. Like, I'm holding for the future. I'm not selling. I'm not selling tomorrow. I'm not selling a week. I'm not trading this thing, guys. Right? I'm not trading these things. Or if you want to trade, right now is the great moment to start. Just let it rise for a couple of days or weeks. This is cryptocurrency. Anything can happen. And that's it. That's all you have to worry about. So we can see that we still have some green. We have Xfinity. We have Luna, Terra Luna, and we have Avalanche. And the Graft. And who is this one? Oh, it's another one. I don't know. So it's a really cool way of seeing how the crypto market is doing right now. Last week and last month, you know what I mean, you see the rise, but now it's coming back down. That's cool. let me go ahead and show you my, where is it? My crypto tracker. I told you guys that I was gonna tell you. So what I can do right here is just enable, go to data and refresh. So it's gonna take some time to refresh everything. So it's gonna take some time to refresh the prices, and I'll tell you right now when we have the latest updates. What are you guys buying right now? Welcome to everyone to the live stream. We'll be here for a while. Just wanted to hop in and to have some commentary about the cryptocurrencies right now, how they're doing. And if you guys have any questions, by all means, go ahead and ask. Hope your Tuesday was doing well today with cryptocurrency. What do you think about Solana KB? I think it's a really good proof of history. It's one of the few, if not the only one, proof of history at this time, based on my research that I've been doing on Solana. Like, one thing I always say is I'm close to start to learn about one cryptocurrency, and there's like two more cryptocurrencies that are popping to my head, like poking me. I'm like, hey, this is me, like, know about me. I'm like, wow, I cannot even keep up with some of the cryptocurrencies, right? But Solana, I think, is really good. Still dropping, but wonder if I should grab another 150k of AMP. Wow, you're really going strong with AMP token. As always, if you can afford losing 150,000 in translated to US dollars, then go for it. I mean, that's my own recommendation, right? Always buy what you can afford losing, guys. That's a basic rule. If that's not gonna bother you by the end of the month, then do it. Don't just be greedy because you just want to become millionaire tomorrow. Doesn't make sense right now. I'm talking, everyone, it's about utility, it's about the project, it's about Flexa. If Flexa network does not have meaningful partnerships to let AMP token collateralize even more payments, doesn't really make sense for AMP token. You're betting that Flexa Network is gonna expand its arm to more people and more businesses to let AMP token collateralize even more and more digital payments. Right now, you see the price. Right now, it's still growing. It's doing what it's doing. Let me go ahead and show you right now on TradingView. I'm gonna do AMP token. If we do 5 years, guys, this is 5 years. So, do you guys like the price of AMP token back in, well, the project hasn't been live for 5 years, but this is September 2020. The price of AMP token back then was 0.01. Okay, do you guys like the price of AMP token at 0.01? People bought it at 0.01. So you have to understand, everyone, that you buy right now whatever cryptocurrency it is, one that it's meaningful and has good utility, right? Like, for example, I'm talking right now about AMP token. I'm not thinking about AMP token selling it tomorrow or selling it next Friday or whenever my birthday is coming. No, it's like buying a car. You're not buying a car because you want to destroy the car tomorrow or next week or just sell it in 1 year. You're buying a car because you're planning to use it. You're planning to hold it for a certain period of time because it has a value and you're using for its utility. I don't know if my example was okay, but whatever. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying. That's the way I see it. And based on how everything is working right now, I mean, I've told you yesterday, right? How Walmart and Amazon are adding more crypto expert to their repertoire. And besides Walmart and Amazon, I did my research, and Apple, PayPal, JP Morgan, and much more companies are hiring crypto experts. What does that mean, everyone? It means that sooner or later, you're going to see cryptocurrency payments done in such companies. That's what it is. Hey, Mark Bass, what's up, buddy? Hey, Harold, welcome. Rene Thomas, say Oscar, what do you think? It's a good time to buy more ACH. My average cost is 0.09. So you did buy it high. That's cool. Well, high in terms of, you know, our the previous prices. Let me go back to ACH. I bought ACH at like 4 cents. So I'm one of those few who did buy it early before this rapid increase. My man, I think I'm gonna give you the same explanation for AMP token. Do you think people who bought Apple stock regret buying it at 77 instead of 72? Okay. Do you think people who own Tesla stock regret buying at $100 instead of 85? That's the way I see it, right? Like, I'm not telling you to put your money or buying the like one meme coin. I mean, that will be stupid, right? Like, or buying one cryptocurrency random and saying buy what this is gonna be the next big thing. No, these are cryptocurrencies that have massive projects on their back and are risky. I'm not saying that they're not risky. They're risky, dude. But as long as you take a look at the white paper, take a look at, I mean, the utility of the token, just put the money to grow. It's like your savings account in one way. Okay, you'll have surprises in cryptocurrency, but always buy cryptocurrency when they are coming down. That's the best place to buy them. That's when I get really excited. Not when they're coming up, because I know they will. But stonks, it's true. Like, everyone comes in and says, "Look, I'm so smart," when cryptocurrencies are up, and I understand that, right? But when cryptocurrencies are down, that's when you're really tested. And this is nothing. What you're seeing right now at this time, this crypto down. That's why I'm not putting as a title crypto crash, because this is nothing. Peanuts dip. What the good dip we had, that was back in May, guys. Let's go back here for, let's say, AMP token. Wait, where's my AMP? Here. I'm gonna go back to my year today. The good dip we had was this beauty, this, that we came from the Coinbase effect right here. That was a dip, 5 cents. Like, we decreased more than 100%. Oh, that was a huge crash. We loved it. It was delicious. That was a crash, and that's something that you're looking for, right? So what we're seeing right now is peanuts. Let's take a look at that. Welcome, everyone. Please go ahead and give us a like this the live stream, so more people get to know us, so more people get to know about these cryptocurrencies. Subscribe to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much. In my description down below, you have my merchandise store. You have, if you guys want to join my Patreon page, talk to me on Discord privately and exclusively, I have some cool things for you. And if you want to have your free stocks, free cryptocurrencies, what have you, all my information is down in the description below. More information for you. If AMP goes under 5 cents, I'm throwing it another 1K. There you have it. If that makes sense to you, that makes sense to me. Anytime, Rene, anytime. What day do we screenshot AMP passing up ACH? Less than 0.1 cent apart. It's true, right? Spell, that is a great comment for you to make, because yeah, it's true. Like, AMP token is 5 cents right now, and ACH is 0.06. So take a look at that. So, and you know what? I'm very interested to see what the ACH people are talking on the group chat on Facebook. Let me go. Because those people are super bullish. They want to see that, like, they wanted to see 50 cents tomorrow. I am inside the two pages, and Yep, they're holding. I mean, this group was created days ago, like during the ACH hype and rush. Already 1K members, so pretty cool, pretty cool, everyone. Literally bought AMP just earlier today as it dipped and a bit now, and it's dipping lots. Just my luck. George, welcome to crypto. Welcome to crypto, my man. It is how we received you officially. Sometimes I do buy options on the stock market, and after I buy the options, they dip. And those feel even worse because they're options. And if you guys don't know options, don't worry. But yeah, I mean, you don't want to feel that way. But I mean, that was me. I bought Cardano, and now, I mean, I'm making money on my Cardano from my previous purchases, right? Once again, let me close this one. Let me close this baby. The biggest, one of the biggest ones that's dropping, of course, is the Deer ACH. If I go to Deer today, yep, this is exactly what I predicted, my man. Exactly what I predicted for ACH. Because it rose, and I was like, guys, look at the other side. Like, just make sure you understand the vibes when it comes to cryptocurrency, because this thing sooner or later may pop, and it's happening right now. Now, what is really intriguing is what one of you guys said about the price really coming close to AMP token. That tells you how good AMP token is, even having more circulating supply and more total supply, right? That's pretty cool. AMP token having 100,000 billion, 100 billion, my bad, 100 billion total tokens, and ACH 10 billion. Last time I checked, and if I remember right now correctly. So that's cool. That is cool. To me, I will buy more ACH once I have the capital. I will buy. Will I buy 100,000 coins? No. I'm going to buy more AMP than Cardano, then Ethereum. And if I have some money left, I'll throw some to ACH. You see what I'm doing? Diversifying my risk. It's pretty good. Just hold that stuff. Preach. Absolutely. Let me go. Yep. But it was needed, everyone. We needed that retracement for ACH. We needed it. We needed to come back down to the middle band here on the other side. And finally, yeah, it's now forming this red histogram. It's forming right now. So absolutely, guys, I will have to see this for sure. It will help us. It will help us at the end of the day. And just to have a better consolidation price and a price that we can trust, because for AMP token, we have it 5 cents, 6 cents is coming that way. No problem. For ADA, well, we had it at around 150, right? It came all the way up, came back down, all the way up. So a lot of predictions nowadays, a lot of predictions. One thing about ADA that I'm going to tell you guys is that, listen to me for a second. Every time I go on YouTube and I type ADA live, there are videos that show saying Charles Hopkinson. I'm sorry, I forgot his last name well, but it starts with H. And then they say, we expect Cardano to be X amount of dollars. But it's not only one video. It's like 5-6 videos with that same title. And I'm like worried because is that like are those official Cardano accounts, or like meme or scam Cardano due to accounts that are trying to uh, push people to buy the coin or do something stupid? Something I found today, and wow. ABP. What's up? What's up? Buy high, sell low. No, no, no. The goal is not to buy big green candles. So buying any day for the long term is good. BP say, yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. I agree with that. Oscar, we're gonna go party with. Oh, Harold, you're crazy, man. Hey, there you go, Austin. B Tour. Yeah, all waiting on smart contracts to be live. Absolutely. But yeah, I mean, what I'm saying for Cardano is like, it's weird. That's one thing that I found online that it was pretty weird. Let me see if I hope not to find any right now, but it's kind of interesting. There's us, everyone. Thanks so much for the support. Let me see. Charles H. And if you do this, there you go. We expect 42 per Cardano. We expect $100 per Cardano. Like what? We expect $120 per Cardano. Like, who are these people? You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying Cardano will never reach that price, but 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 why? Like, who are these guys? Like, just be careful with this, because I mean, and the interesting thing is that when you click on any, they have the guy talking. And of course, this is not live. So, and they don't allow comments, and they disable the live stream. So it's clickbait, right? BP, those are clickbait. So I wouldn't allow this on YouTube. Like, having him saying this with the title, and then I don't know if these are real people. That is concerning to me. I may be just a little bit skeptical, but I mean, I found this couple days, like today, I'm like, what? And these are the same channels. The same channels. Look, this is not live, but it looks like live, and they say send right here. So what do you guys think? So be careful with things like this. Like, the guy has a YouTube page where he does lives, but I mean, right now it's not live. So that's kind of weird. That's kind of weird. I reported them to YouTube before they don't do anything. Most of the views are butted too. Thank you, Scott. Thank you. AJ, I think Cardano in the end of 2021 will be up to 310. Yes, I mean, that makes sense. $3, anywhere from like 250 to 350, $4 stops, right? But what is that of $120, $45? I mean, that is a scam, right? Like, that is complete and absolute fake. Like, what is that? So I don't know why they allow that. So if some of them start doing that for AM token, or for, I mean, I don't know, Solana or Bitcoin, I'm sure for Bitcoin they wouldn't last, because the Bitcoin cryptocurrency community is huge. But for Cardano, I mean, I don't know why they let it ride. That's not right. Just my opinions, everyone. Some of those channels are fake. There you go. Yeah. What do you think about BTOR? One data and two headaches. I haven't heard of that one, bro. I can check it for you right now, for sure. You know, there are so many cryptocurrencies passing through my head. Like sometimes this ranked 123. Take a look at the price. B chain Tor public. B chain. Okay. Well, I'll have to do my deep analysis on that one, but thank you so very much for putting it in my radar. My dreams come true with ADA went to $100 at the end of 2021. Lol, Lisa. Yep, it's mathematically impossible for Ghana to hit $100 anytime soon. So, yeah, Lisa, I mean, like everyone will love to see Cardano or I'm talking reach all-time highs like those levels. I would agree with that, but have to be realistically here, right? And those prices are far from reality, in my opinion. Yes. So that's why I'm calling them, and I'm telling you, my community, do not like fall into the scammers' hands, because right now with cryptocurrency, everyone, scammers and fakers are everywhere. And now that I'm actually talking about this, I'm gonna take this opportunity to say, please do not fall down with all the fakers and scammers on sometimes on my comments, on the comments of any of my videos. I try to delete them, I try to ban them, I try to block them, but I just can't follow up. Like there's so many bots and everything. So I will never ever ask you for money through comments or through WhatsApp or through never. I will never ask you to text me on like what is the name of that? Telegram? No, 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 no. Please do not follow that, because it's just dumb. It's just like a new generation of scammers, and they're taking advantage of due to, you know, lack of effort in that regard. Okay, that being said, it's going back to the prices. Ethereum, everyone, $3,000, delicious price. It's pretty good. Like if you had a good project to buy in, that'll be Ethereum, because it is a good way of seeing Ethereum as the S&P 500, right? Ethereum has inside of Ethereum hundreds of different dApps, hundreds of different applications, DeFi, games, what have you, projects, cryptocurrencies. It's an S&P 500. It's like a Fortune 500 all in one. So you are buying that when you purchase $1 of Ethereum on that on the amount of dApps and all the value that the Ethereum blockchain has. That's cool. And it's all represented into the Ether coin. Same as Cardano. Now with smart contracts coming, September 12th, Alonso upgrade. Boy, we'll just have to be ready. We'll just have to be ready, because let me just show you this. And I'm not saying that Cardano will reach this price once again, but I'm putting this as an example because you guys like Cardano and I like it too. AMP is going down right now, so expect it to go up a bit tomorrow. You can expect BP. You can expect anything from cryptocurrencies, but they may not hear you, right? So that's why I don't really worry too much. It's just knowing that you're buying way earlier than most people will ever hear from. Take a look at this. And this is exactly why those kind of going back a little bit to the channels that we were talking. If the price of Cardano reaches, or like if the Cardano project reaches Ethereum's market cap of 355 billion, one idea will be $11. So saying that Cardano will be $120, that's just like nonsense up to the 1,000 power. Nonsense, right? So just giving you even more evidence. So that being said, we'll buy this right off the get-go. Like so much potential to grow. Because I do agree that once the smart contracts, let's say that the smart contracts come for Cardano, and of course, as any type of technology, there's gonna be issues. There's gonna be problems. You'll always have these shortcomings, but the Cardano group will have to fix them, right, as they go. Remember that Ethereum, it already has some time in the market. Cardano is coming up. Proof of stake versus proof of work. So I give Cardano, I think, the same time that I always give to AMP token, 3 to 5 years. 3 to 5 years, everyone. Not 1 or 3 days. So we see right now that in 1 or 3 days, at the beginning of the week, just take a look at the price of, let's say, of Cardano. At the beginning, oh, again, Coinbase, I hate you. Price of Cardano. Where is it? Here it is. Where is Sunday 15? Right here. That was around $2.20. Right now, $1.97. Things change a lot very quickly, right? 3 to 5 years, everyone. 3 to beautiful 5 years. Slow and steady, absolutely. AJ, when Bitcoin started off, a friend of mine told me this is a project for the future money. He stated from the beginning, I never listened to him, and now in 2021 he was like 16,000 Bitcoin and he sold them. No way, are you kidding, AJ? Really? Wow. Kudos to your friend, AJ. Wow, that's really awesome. You say, if I had listened to him today, I had some big cash and sitting on the beach, happy with a lot of cash. Sad story. You know, AJ, I think I'm gonna really remember that story, because, not kidding, bro, because that is exactly how I wanna feel years from now. Like you say in your previous comment, a friend of mine told me, like, what, years ago, right? I will assume this is years ago, not like a couple months ago. I still think that there's room to grow for some of the projects we're still talking right now. Absolutely, cryptocurrency has gone more mainstream and more people know it, but still, I think there's room to grow. Private companies are barely hiring cryptocurrency experts. What's going to happen when you finally start seeing a cryptocurrency department or a cryptocurrency school? Have you guys thought about that? How many schools in the United States have a cryptocurrency department teaching cryptocurrency? Answer that to me. Not mine. Like, we are still in the early stages, everyone. That's why I'm not concerned at all. That's why I'm chilling and buying when I can the dips. But in reality, this is gonna blow up. That is my sentiment, right? So once it blows up and once it goes to schools and once there's going to be cryptocurrency faculty, right? Because that's the future. If they teach us about the dollar, about compound interest and time value of money and finance and accounting, they should teach us too about cryptocurrencies. Wouldn't you agree? That is what I'm thinking, everyone. If you guys are listening and like what you guys are hearing from me, please go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notification bells. Support the channel so more people can listen. I'm a Mexican with a lot of heart to learn and to make money. If you guys share that with me, please go ahead and support. Anything, let me know here through the chat. Thank you very much, guys. I have like 24,000 AMP tokens. Huge. That's cool. I think crypto coins will be the future and the value of the dollars will go down. Well, AJ, the value of the dollar, it has gone down ever since like the gold standard was changed with I want to say Nixon, but I hope I'm not wrong. I'm learning so much, and he moved away from the gold, so that's when the dollar started to decline a lot. So yeah, I mean, the dollar right now, it's garbage. If you have $1,000 on a savings account from Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, you're burning money slowly but surely. That's what's happening. Cryptocurrency, not so much, guys. Not so much. Not so much. Price of I'm token right now, 0.057. Price of ADA right now, 1.98. It's coming back up little by little. Little by little. There's the green candlesticks. I'm going to go ahead and go to the 1 day. No, I think to the 5 day will be better. There you have it. Starts to tickle a little bit up. They don't want us to be rich, Harold. They want, remember that the government wants dumb people, because dumb people follow and don't criticize. That's why. They ain't gonna teach that. Mexican Uzi, what's up, buddy? Welcome. I mean, eventually they will have specialized classes, like upper level classes, and they may teach that, but mainstream is gonna take a while. Like until the private sector ask universities, hey, we need cryptocurrency experts. Are you guys training? We give you some donations. That's what's gonna happen. I feel like Coinbase is doing this on purpose with the overview page. Shices, I don't know what's happening with Coinbase, man. Like I'm going to Bitcoin. Take a look at this, bro. Like I cannot see it. What's going on? Like this is something happening ever since like 3 days ago or something. Like I hope I'm not the only one. Or I mean, because I like Coinbase. It gives me a lot of different insights to tell you guys. Do you think the US government will try to stop crypto coins because they will know that it's a threat to the American dollar? AJ, that's the $1 million question. And the answer is, we know based on what the current chair of the Exchange Commission, I forgot the department, but it's the current chair. And he said that he is now acknowledging the importance of cryptocurrencies. And of course, he wants to establish the CBDC coin. So the U.S. government is now starting to embrace cryptocurrencies. They want to start their own U.S. cryptocurrency coin, and it's coming. But guess what? We're already here. It's gonna be cool because if you guys remember, I asked you yesterday about stable coins. We're here, everyone. More than 100 people watching. You guys rock. Thank you so very much. I asked you a couple days ago about what is your favorite stablecoin, and 1.5K people voted, and they said 42% none. I don't do this, right? So what are stable coins, right? They're paged to a stable asset, for example, the US dollar, or sometimes gold, but typically it's the US dollar. Tether, DAI, US coin, Gemini dollar. Now, most of us don't really buy this. Well, that is exactly what the government tries to create, a stable coin. So it's paged to the US dollar, and you can use it very easily, right? Coinbase be giving me that connection issue screen since ACH pump. Really, Johnny? Oh, sorry, bro. Oscar, are you gonna be buying more RAM? Yes, to the 1,000 power. Absolutely. With chilling compa, keep up the content. I said, thank you very much, Mexican Uzi. Anytime, tell our Mexican friends that I'm here so they can come and enjoy and subscribe. Appreciate it, Mexican. What about crypto in India? It's going to ban in upcoming winter session in assembly. Really, that? Wow, didn't know that. Well, thank you for the notice. If that happens, well, there's gonna be another crypto dip, and that's completely fine with me. No matter how they ban it, I'm here for the long term. I know we're gonna prevail. Cryptocurrency is not gonna be leaving anytime soon. Yeah, it's just delaying the acceptance to me, especially for Ethereum. Like, let me go ahead and show you my portfolio, guys. Now that is updated, I'm looking at $12,000. So 2 days ago, when I first showed you this, I was at 13,000. Now my cryptocurrency portfolio has decreased, and my most of my portfolio right now, it's found on Gemini, on Ethereum, with $5,000, around $5,000. So yes, I mean, because Ethereum is the S&P 500 of cryptocurrencies. Okay, that's Ethereum. When I put most of my money where I know eventually will be taking off, guys. That's it. Diamond hands only. There you go, everyone. Diamond hands. Go ahead and create a poll. Let's see how many diamond. Are you a diamond hands holder? Let's see how many people. Let's see how many paper hands we have. Welcome everyone to the live stream. My name is Oscar Ramos. I talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. I'm a Mexican who loves to make money, and God willing, one day provide for my family. If you guys share anything that I'm speaking right now, if you guys like it, please go ahead and consider liking, subscribing, and turning on those notification bells. I'm really happy that we're growing, and slowly but surely, we're not rushing. So anytime there's some developments in the market, anytime there's something huge happening in the market, a price or so, I like to come in and have a conversation with you and listen to your questions and comments, because I also learn from you. So that's great. If you have a question, let me know in the comments below, chat. There's my links down below in the description for your free Bitcoin, stocks, merchandise, Patreon. Talk to me on Discord. Everything's there. Thank you very much. Delicious, delicious stuff. Coin market cap, everyone. It's coming back up a little bit. That's great. 1.91 trillion. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. HAMP is going to be used in the future, Frederick. It's being used right now. It just needs utility and more involvement from different companies. Let me just go ahead and show you one thing. If you go to Flexa, those who are AMP holders, if you go to Flexa, apps with Flexa, you will see very quickly all these different applications that are what? Coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. You see that? Coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. All of these, everyone, they're going to help the Flexa network collateralize payments. A whole ecosystem of apps use Flexa to enable instant pure digital payments for their users. Okay? So that is what's going to be helping AMP token for the future usage, utility. That's why we like it a lot. Remember that AMP token is not a stock. I think that's very important to understand, guys. Even though Flex is doing fantastic, doesn't mean that it's going to be aligned to AMP token. As the company does very well, the coin will do very well. No, the coin will do very well according to its utility and focus for that specific purpose, right? It's not a stock. AMP token is not a stock. It's a cryptocurrency designed to solve a problem that there is already in the market. And if the problem is solved more efficiently and there's more adoption and more utility, eventually the coin will rise. But not because Flexa goes ahead and says in the 10K report, we're making more money. That's not a reason for AMP token to rise, okay? So if you're coming from a stock market background, it may be a little bit difficult to understand that. But yeah, those are cryptocurrencies, guys. Like there's no company linked to Ethereum, for example, or Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a store of value. Ethereum is a blockchain supercomputer. So there are cryptocurrencies out there here that are linked to a company like Cardano, like Polygon, and Uniswap. Things like that. But some of them are not. So we know that, right? AMP is a sleeping giant. I tend to believe that too. George, can't believe my luck, only invested hours ago and now it's all crashing. George, welcome back to crypto. Welcome to crypto, my man. Yes, that happened to me right after ACH as well. And then it came back down. Here it is. There you go. Here are all the prices. And it came back down, and I was doing great until that last one blasted off, and bam, got me on, and now I'm ready to go down, but holding on. There you have it. Dogecoin, yep. Saludos desde Monte Cristo, República Dominicana. I'm to the moon. Hey, you, thank you so very much for the support, my man. I appreciate it so much. ACH is about to pop. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people, you know, you guys have those predictions and feelings for such cryptocurrencies. I do see, I mean, just the usage, right? Like, if you ask me, do you think Apple is going to be huge in the next 5 years? My answer will be yes. Like, I don't work at Apple. I don't have insider trading from Apple, but I just use the product and it's very awesome, right? So my initial thinking is absolutely, yeah. I mean, I don't see why not. Same as I'm talking, even though I don't use, for example, the speeding. I downloaded the speeding app, but I don't use the speeding app. I don't pay with Gemini Pay. Imagine more people doing. I mean, that's just gonna trigger what the company wants to do, pretty much. Alrighty, about to close the poll right now, and let's see how we did. End poll. So how was the statistics for the diamond and paper hands? We'll see. Gemini Pay uses Flexa and AMP, correct? Gemini Pay uses, it's a Flexa application. And whatever is done through Gemini Pay, of course, gets collateralized by AMP token. Are you a diamond hands holder? Wow, we have some 26% people that are not diamond hand holders. What happened there, guys? What happened there? Come on. You're still learning, maybe? That's fine. That is totally fine. Once again, let me go ahead and remind of the Bitcoin stock to flow model. Very important. I know Bitcoin is boring for some people, but without Bitcoin, we're not moving really much longer. Bitcoin stock flow model. If you are worried about the future of Bitcoin, this prediction, it's been right for a long time, guys. Ever since 2010. Let's take a look at the price. The light blue straight line is what the price of Bitcoin is. It's been predicted for a long time. And the dots is the current price of Bitcoin. Right now we're under, right? Not a problem. On March, we were above that line. Now we're under. Not a problem. So I think the worst regret for you guys will be selling your Bitcoin or not trusting in cryptocurrencies and then waking up one day and seeing like, oh, look, Bitcoin is $100,000. That will be a regret that I don't really want to live, to be honest with you guys. Why? Because I knew it could have been avoided. You see what I'm saying? I know it could have been avoided. That's what I think. Because it's not like this project was invented 1-2 years ago. Bitcoin, it's already been proven to just continue increasing. Not only said by me, but by amazing people like people who know way more than me when it comes to Bitcoin. Johnny Disco Bravo, welcome back. Oscar, you should get yourself verified as a Brave creator so you can tip, so we can tip you in BAT. Also, Brave is just great browser to check into. That's cool. Thank you, Johnny. We'll get into the we'll look into that. A lot of holders. Bitcoin is fine. 78K before August ends. Cool. 26 paper hands. I know, Liam. Why is that? Solana. Yeah, I mean, Solana, everyone, like, that's another biggie to take a look at for sure. I always keep coins in an interest earnings coin as everything is falling apart and keep buying low to add more coins and have tighter than diamond grip. Well, Bitcoin will go above 100,000. It's not a matter of when. I think it's not a matter of if. It's just a matter of when. I remember seeing Ethereum at $1,100, guys, and then just skyrocketed all the way to 4,000. So we're doing really well. And this, guys, my portfolio, I just as you're seeing right now, my crypto tracker, what I talked today earlier with a video, it's the beginning of something really nice. Because this $12,000, like I said earlier in one of my streams, guys, is nothing. Like $12,000, guys, gets me a new car, gets me a down payment for a house, gets me very good, awesome luxury clothes from the mall, gets me a greatest dinner with my significant other, gets me a lot of things in today's age. But you know what? I don't even feel I have $12,000 here. I feel like I have nothing. I feel that I'm still greedy for more. I'm putting this money away to see my future grow in prosperous terms. I'm sacrificing instant gratification right now for long-term, beautiful future for my family and me and myself. So it's just a sacrifice that we do here. And those 12, just the beginning, because I want to get to probably 50K out of my own money and see this money blow up slowly but surely. Long-term growth, little by little, guys. Remember, that's my key phrase. Long-term growth, little by little. I found it, and I better trademark it. I really like it. Long-term growth, little by little. That's just what it is. So please go ahead, like, subscribe, everyone. Turn on those notification bells. That will help a lot to the channel. I believe AMP will hit 10 cents by October or November. That'll be huge, and I'll love that. Will I sell at 10 cents? Absolutely not. That's just the beginning. Like, no, never. We won't sell at 10 cents. It just proves that I was right, and many of us were right? Always buying, bro. There you go. Smash the like button. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Solana, yes, high potential link. Also high potential upside. I expect some drawdowns in a heavy market. I think there will be some shakeouts in the short term. Yeah. Solana is doing well, man. Like I was telling you guys yesterday, I just started like a live stream yesterday. Very late. Didn't have too many people, but the people I had, we had a blast. And it was just talking about Solana and how the proof of history was pretty cool because you have proof of history, proof of work, proof of stake, like 3 more proofs. So it's just insane. I should make a video like to explain all the difference because I still have lots to learn, and that's what makes this so awesome, right? That's kind of going back to what I was telling you guys earlier. Do you think a school is gonna be teaching you all of this? Like, this is the new way to make money. Anyone is going to be teaching you how to make money through cryptocurrencies. Like when I started trading cryptocurrencies, I saw this as a scam. That's why I waited a long time to get into cryptocurrencies because the only cryptocurrencies I was learning back in the day was Dogecoin because that was before 2021. Stupid people, smart people, they were all buying Dogecoin and they made money. But of course, the greedy got some people and they left the boat with losses. Some people made a lot of money with Dogecoin too. I made some money with Dogecoin, but now in less than a year, it's been 8 months, guys, since that happened, since I started trading cryptocurrencies, and I'm just getting started, honestly. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool, right? Hey, Ivan, saludos, Oscar. Thank you, but appreciate it. Was today a green day for Cardano? It was a red day for Cardano because we're looking at 198, but it's coming back. Like, I'm not worried at all. So yesterday's video about the CEO of Flexa, what I listened, I had very awesome idea with AmCoin. Yes, there's the new interview. It's already there on YouTube, so you can find it, guys. Pretty cool. I also want to have someone from Flexa. I'm trying to reach them out, but they haven't replied. So I'm trying to get, some of them talking to me. Once that happens, I'll let you guys know. So we have a blast and I get them live so you guys can answer, ask questions. Because if I ever had this guy, one of the main people from Flexa, I want you guys to ask questions too. I don't want to be the only one asking questions. Crypto is literally gambling. You will never make it. Well, Drew, I don't agree that crypto is gambling in general. Like some cryptocurrencies are literally gambling. I think you're right, but not every single one of them. So you have to, of course, be careful where you invest your money. Because this is the thing. I think this is one of the ultimate rebuttals against crypto haters. What if we're right? And what if cryptocurrencies does become this massive system for transactions and store value protocols and networks? We are going to make tons of money and probably retire by the next decade. If we're wrong, all the money that we, in quotes, will lose, that's not gonna put us out in the street, on the street. Not to me, because I'm diversified, right? I have money in index funds, I have money in stocks, and I have money in cryptocurrencies. So worst comes to worst, I'm still good. Praise the Lord. Game zone, buy fear, sell greed. That's good. That makes sense. Think this while making decisions while you're buying and selling. Yes, game zone, I agree with that a lot. Because remember when Cardano was booming and rushing all the way to the moon above 220? Greed. And I already learned the lesson with Dogecoin. Again, back to the Doge, those doggies. Dogecoin, guys, I learned so much because I lost some money. And the best way to learn money, the best way to learn anything is by losing and defeat. It really teaches you so much instead of success. I think that's in life too. Teaches you so much. So I learned a lot, and now when I look at Ethereum, I'm talking or so, I'm like chilling, baby. And when I see these dips, I go in hard, man. The problem with crypto right now is not doing that. It's not really being used that way for now. It's not really being used mainstream, buddy. Like it's been used in some companies, like I said, PayPal, Walmart, Apple, Amazon. They're hiring companies. So private companies, private entities, the top notch, some of the most wealthy companies are hiring cryptocurrency experts as I speak. They either they already have a coin or they're starting to really put the systems in place for us as customers to do business with them, to deal through those networks. So it's still there. It's cooking. It's building up. And the coins that you see right now, in 1 year from now, may be totally different. Not that they're going to change the name, but we may be looking at different coins. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, no one ever uses crypto in real gold very rarely, just for trading, and it will be for a while. My Bitcoin is very long term. Won't touch it. Or Ethereum 88. There you go. I'm investment. Oh, there you go. Game Zone. I'm a investment banker, and I already see so much developments happening in the real world crypto applications. There you have it. That's cool. There you have it. That makes sense. Thank you for sharing. You're missing the store of value thing and the valuation of that Satoshis versus the US dollar. Yeah, we talked about that one too in the past. Everyone, can we get to 100 likes? That will mean a lot to me. That will mean a lot to me, everyone, if we can get to 100 likes. We have a little bit over 100 people watching. Let's go ahead and support Oscar Ramos, guys, so we can continue doing even longer. That will be great, guys. Appreciate it. I appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Gonna give a refresh right here. We'll be leaving in just a couple of minutes, but thank you so much for your support, guys. Always like to come in whenever I least expect it. I have to go and make the thumbnail. I have to change the description. I have to change the title because I want to talk to you and have a conversation and let you guys speak. Because guess what? The people that are watching here, they are also reading the comments and they're learning from everywhere. Like you guys are coming and watching this live from all over the world. And that is one of the best things I like about YouTube. You don't really have to be in one place to have a conversation about this. Let's go ahead and review the prices once again. Well, Cardano is coming back a little bit more, so that's nice. AMP token, our dear and near AMP. Looking at the 5-day trend, consolidated, not really worried. Not really worried. So the fact that it dipped below 6 cents makes nothing, no difference. We need to see AMP token reach the lower 5-cent boundary to say like, whoa, let's take a look at that dip. But that's it. Right now, in 2 days from now, can come all the way back up to 6 cents and nothing changed on AMP token. So not worry about AMP, everyone, honestly. Thoughts on ACH, please. Hey, Adam, welcome. Yeah, absolutely. Well, ACH, let's go ahead and do the nice and done with 1 month. ACH, let me give you the horizontal line. ACH, we were right about here, my man. Right about here. You see that line? That was the support I crafted like a week ago. And I said, we've been touching this line over and over. And ACH has rejected this support twice. Well, here on ACH, we touched this on August 16, but guess what? It dipped lower. So remember I told you a couple weeks ago that everything that comes up could come back down. So this is the price that you see right now. If I go the year today, my beautiful RSI and MACD will tell me, guess what? the MACD already crossed the signal, so that initiates a different trend. The RSI is telling me that it's approaching the middle band. Will it actually go even lower to the lower band? We'll have to see, but that's what it's looking like. Do I have ACH? I do have ACH. Here's my crypto tracker. Once again, I love it because I don't have to open all these different types of brokers online. I can just tell you right here. And I have Alchemy Pay, $118. And this, guys, it's profit because I bought ACH $100. I made $300 profit. I bought more AMP token, and this is money that I have. It's just profit, so that's great. So you have to also understand when to buy, when to sell, especially with a token that has been affected by the Coinbase effect. Okay, Coinbase effect does everything because it happened to IOTEX, it happened to ACH, and it happened to Farm. It happened to many of them. The Coinbase effect. They come to Coinbase, they shoot all the way to the moon, they come back down. People make a lot of money. You can make a lot of money too. But after the Coinbase effect, it's about the holding game. Finally, you're now on the run for the utilities, for the coin and its utility. That's it. Very rarely we're gonna see another spike in a short term like this. So listen to what I'm saying. Makes sense, everyone. I am in a crypto market for the future, buy a house and leave money for my son's future education. AJ, I joined that sentiment. That's really good. ACH really low. A lot of people lost money. Anthony, you're right. Sadly, but true. Like a lot of money. It's because they thought it was just going to keep running up, and that's not okay thinking, guys, because that's why I'm very careful with my predictions. I don't even have one with it for ACH because I'm like, guys, first let me see this coin drop. No, it's gonna keep climbing. I'm like, all right. Well, you see what I'm saying? Please always have a habit of looking at least daily time frame chart and above. If you're a long-term investor, rest should not matter to you. They should teach crypto coins in school and in college. I'd agree with that. Absolutely. They do. But I mean, just think about it. If they don't teach you how to buy a house, if they don't teach you how to pay taxes, if they don't teach you how to get a loan, you think they're gonna teach you cryptocurrency? I would love to, but guys, let's be realistic here. They're gonna teach you cryptocurrency when Bitcoin is already at 200,000. What do you think? Like, honestly, I waited too long. Hey, Craig Wayne, welcome back. Good to see you. I waited too long, but ACH at 2 cents and sold at 10 cents, which I sold when it was. I mean, Craig, you know, the wishful, I wish I would have. I mean, welcome to crypto, Craig. Like, it always happens, right? It always happens. But like for me, I bought Ethereum when it was at 1,000. I wish I would have sold Ethereum at $4,440. It happens, man. Like, no worries. Like, it happens. You learn. Now you continue following. Get your free $3 from Coinbase. I think I got it too. Thank you for responding to my question. Anytime, Adam. Anytime, Adam Miller. That's why we're here, just to listen and have a great conversation. Just think about this. Most of the people that lost money on the Doge rise were first timers and only invested because other people. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Because that's just what people do, right? Hype coins, and like there's so many of the celebrities that hype coins out there, and they expect other people, you know, the young generation of the uneducated investing people to buy things because it's so easy. That's why if you guys have a Robinhood, like a year ago, wasn't the Robinhood application that it is right now. A lot of people lost money on the AMC and GameStop because Robinhood before didn't have all the signals and educational features that it has right now. I go to Robinhood application right now and I'm like, wow, look at all of these different cool gadgets and nice signals and features, because they were aware that people from all over and from all backgrounds come to invest in application thinking, man, I'm gonna become a millionaire right now. Let me just go put all my student loans or whatever into this crypto, and it's gonna make me tens of thousands of dollars. That's what was happening in 2020. I think that was one of the biggest takeaways from 2020. But sooner or later, you'll realize that people lost money because, I mean, most people lost money. The people who actually bet the market, like beat the market, those are the people who you will hear from in articles like the Dogecoin millionaire. And people are like, I want to become like a Dogecoin millionaire. Yeah, but don't forget that there's millions of people behind who lost so much money. Wargasm, welcome, buddy. 50% Bitcoin, 30% Ethereum, 20% on. There you go. So you are diversified. That's cool. That's nice. And it's your own money, my man. You do whatever with your money. Absolutely. Absolutely. Can we get to 100 likes, everyone? That will mean a lot to me. Awesome. We've been here for a while. That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. Sup, man? Have a good night. Keep dropping the knowledge. Bye, P1. Thank you very much, my man. Appreciate it. It's right here to you guys and from you to me, because we're always liking to share. That's the main thing. XRP price prediction in the next few years, Liam. Above $1. It's $1 right now. XRP is a cryptocurrency that I need to learn way more. I know 5% of what XRP is. I need to go even higher. So I do have my cryptocurrencies that I know a lot and some that I really don't know much. And XRP is one of them, but I still have to do my homework. And I am always transparent to tell you that there's so many coins out there. You have to do your research before speaking on the camera. So makes total sense, guys. Makes total sense. I'm waiting for a little more dip to buy games. And yeah, I mean, that's the greedy section, right? Because once it starts coming back up, then oops, too late. When does AMP catch a break, Oscar Josh? Whenever AMP wants. And if people keep buying, of course, that will trigger stuff. Let's go to Etherscan for AMP token. Etherscan, here it is. Let's take a look at the holders list. Guys, AMP token holders still growing. So you have to take a look at the holders too, right? I've heard today that some people are dumping like by the billions of AMP. That's okay with me. Don't care. I mean, whales can dump because they want to get profits. Like, you never know when they bought. Like, if they dump a billion AMP token, it's because they have different purpose. They had know about a different coins. I don't know, but that's what it is, man. But as for us, still grinding here, everyone. The number of holders is increasing. Not bad at all. Big constructive flow model is looking good. Like, I really want to see how cryptocurrencies are gonna end in 2020, guys. Like, this is a special year for me because I started investing in crypto. I made a lot of money, and I'm positioning very well for the next bull run. And when I say bull run, is Bitcoin 100,000, Ethereum 5,000, Cardano $3, $4. Like, that's the next that's coming. When? Sorry, I'm not a genie, but by looking at how things are moving, guys, like, it will come. It will come. That's my sentiment. That's what I feel, what I share in my channel. If you don't feel that way, that's great, and let us know how you feel, so we can have a great discourse, right, and talk about it. Just 10 more likes, everyone. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate it, guys. Don't deserve it. Thank you so very much. Cheers to all of you guys. Look, I have my Dallas Cowboys cup. Sorry if you don't like the Dallas Cowboys, but that's what I have right now. So I'm from Texas, guys. What do you guys want? Texas, baby. Where you guys watching me from? You guys, it's almost 10 p.m. Central, 11 p.m. East, about 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Mountain and West. But like, you guys are crazy. Like, some of you need to go to bed now. But thank you so much for your support. Appreciate it, guys. Honestly. What's up, Oscar? What stocks do you like? That's a great question. Finally, someone asked me about stocks. Remember, I also talk about stocks, right? I like Microsoft, Apple. I like PayPal. Let me go ahead and pull up my portfolio to tell you all of the stocks I like that are going to make me a lot of money in the future. I buy, here they are: PayPal, Nvidia, Facebook, Disney, Square, QQQ, Snap, BOO, Apple, Microsoft, Shopify, Pinterest, Adobe, Walmart, and Etsy. All of the stocks I told you guys, 100% recommend. We have H-Town in the house, Arkansas, DMB, San Antonio, Texas. Hey, there you go. Puerto Rico, New York. Neo. Harold. 4 a.m. What? UK? Liam, no way. You're watching from the UK, man. You got the MVP. Thank you so very much for the support. New York all day. There you have it. Been holding AMP since April, first major holding. There you have it. AMP will pay out one day. Keep strong. I do share that too. Because once AMP token, listen to me, if ever AMP token gets picked up by a celebrity, by one of the main YouTubers, like big YouTubers, or like by just the entire Wall Street bets, if AMP token ever gets picked up by one of those, I'm not saying we need them, right? I'm not saying we need any of those, but just think about it. Stratosphere, right? It happened to Dogecoin. It happened to other cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu. I mean, not saying it will happen. We don't need them. But if it ever, bam. So I'm loading my bags for that, everyone. Monte Cristi, Dominican Republic. There you go. El Paso. Nice. Alabama, there you go. Florida, Dallas, Florida, upstate New York. My man. Look, it sounds crazy, but the pump and dumper can be helpful for buying low and selling high. That's what I share too, buddy. Should I buy ACH right now, or do you think we'll dip more? Great question. We already talked about it, my man. RSI is looking that it's coming down even further, and MACD too. So I'm not really buying right now because I don't need to. Like, I could. If you're planning to sell ACH in 1 month, then don't buy right now. If you're planning to hold ACH until the next bull run, then it makes sense to buy right now. Doesn't really matter if you buy right now or 1 cent less. Of course, are you buying a million ACH? Then that will matter. And please hold on till the dip has ended. But if you're buying $100 of ACH, take it easy. You will be fine. See what I'm saying? That's the difference, everyone. I'm not a whale. I'm so far from being a whale. So the fact that I'm always kind of thinking to get the best price for my coins, in reality and realistically speaking, doesn't really matter much, because of course the more you buy, the more you can earn as the coin goes up. So you'll be fine. So everyone, whoo, almost there, guys. Almost there to 100 likes. Extremely happy and grateful with all of you. You're watching, you're enjoying the channel. Super grateful. And it's pretty much close to be late. Close to be late. So I think this is the time. This is the time. Just came from the ACH live. The lack of education is real. When you think the next bull run for ACH, I think you gotta be ready for the ACH bull run, but still do. And from what I see, AMP token and ACH could still continue at this prices consolidated level, for ACH still decreasing. So, but you have to remember that the ACH CEO just talked a couple days ago too, so that's giving some big news for the project, for this and for the cryptocurrency, because that person knows, the entire board knows that now there's gonna be people who are aware due to the Coinbase listing. So of course, that makes a lot of sense to them. Once the people understand that there's buyers interested for the cryptocurrency, they'll of course want to make it popular and interesting to the public. Everyone will reach 100 plus likes. You rock, everyone. You rock. Can you view your assets on your Coinbase? Mine says connection issues. Yes, mine too, Jeff. Welcome to the live stream. When I click trade, if I click Bitcoin, I still have we having connection issues. Now, it's fine. I mean, I always give fire to Coinbase, but it's fine. I mean, I just cannot visualize the number of, like, the traffic and all the logistical issues that Coinbase has to deal on a daily basis. So I'm fine. I mean, it's not like my cryptocurrencies are in danger, right? Like, that's not true. So as long as they resolve the issues, I don't have any issue with that. That's fine. My friends, family, YouTube family, cryptocurrency, to sum up why I'm here and the reason of the live stream: crypto down, huge ACH Cardano AMP token buying or panic. My opinion is not a panic. In my opinion, what we're seeing right now is a healthy, nice correction that it was due, that is needed, and welcome to crypto, right? This is gonna keep happening for years to come. Some will be lower than others. Some bull runs will be higher than others. But you have to always remember that cryptocurrency right now is still early. Not many people know about it. People still think there's a scam, that is fake money. So choose your side and believe in the projects that you put your money to, and let it ride, my man. Let it ride, boys and girls. Thank you so very much for your support, guys. We did it. Had a great live. Honestly, we had a lot of questions. Really awesome. Really awesome. Really feel good today. Had fun. If you have a question, of course, after live, there will be the comment section. Let me all your questions there, and I'll be seeing which ones I can reply. You guys are watching from all over. I want to thank you so much for the support. As always, if you have you want to get your free Bitcoin stocks or so, all the details and the links are in the link down below. And check the merchandise store as well at Patreon. And you want to become a member here on YouTube, you can also do that as well. And thank you from South Carolina. Woo! That's a beautiful and a precious state, Martin. I love this state. Love the state of South Carolina. Please be safe. Have a great night. God willing, we'll see you tomorrow with a new video. If they still keep coming back down, well, I think I know what I'm gonna be talking tomorrow. but yeah, just more news, giving you more updates. And as always, a reminder that no matter where you are, no matter who you are, no matter where you're coming from, you can always make your dream a reality if you keep working slowly but surely, steady, discipline. Because mine, I found it with YouTube. I found it by investing. I'm now doing it live. People are watching me from all over. So no matter what your dream is, whether it's sports, education, career, do it to your full potential. Do not give up. Live it, because you only live once. No matter what people say against you, no matter what the world does against you, just go for it. And I think you will do fine. All right? Because the crazy ones change the world. Adios, guys. Take it easy. Be safe. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much, guys. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Take it easy, boys. Have a good one. Take care. Rest well. Peace.